Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Sequel to the JAC meeting of June 2024, where intense deliberations were made and resolutions reached on measures to adopt in improving the lives of our people at the grassroots and the swift release of allocations due the local government councils, we, the members of Argon River State Chapter, state as follows. We thank Mr. President Senator Ahmed Tinubu for the timely and unhindered release of allocations for the various councils. We want to thank our peace-loving governor, His Excellency Sasim Nalaye Fubara, who has instructed us to remain peaceful in the face of unwarranted provocation and to dispense the local government funds in line with the local government laws for the overall benefit of our people. Argon River State Chapter disassociates itself from the planned protest from the 1st of August 2024 by faceless individuals against the government and policies of President Tinubu. We state categorically that we are committed to cascading the key objectives of the Renewed Hope agenda of Mr. President in our various local government areas. We hereby call on our people to discountenance any planned protests as measures are being put in place to cushion the effect of the economic situation. We recall earlier today that immediate past local government chairmen made inciting statements bordering on claims to perpetuate themselves in office they had constitutionally ceased to occupy at the efflution of time on the 17th of June 2024. We hereby warn these impostors to desist forthwith and call on the River State Commissioner of Police to call them to order. We as Argon also condemn in strong terms the attack on our members, the chairman of Ikwere local government area and that of the chairman of Obiakpo local government areas, who were mindlessly attacked by rogue police officers and rogue individuals. This attack, we speak against it in strong terms and also call on the Inspector General of Police to call these rogue police officers to order, because it is obvious that the police has now become an armed support group of these people who are supporting the FCT minister, and has also decided that River State will not be peaceful. But as Argon will say, enough is enough. If the police cannot rise up to their duty, we will rise up to our duty and defend ourselves, because it is constitutional. So please, this warning will not repeat itself again. Thank you and God bless.
Because you know now Benedu will give you yeah.